Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, in our previous class, we have read and understood clearly about the reign of terror. Reign of terror means which time period we are talking about. The reign of terror means which time period?
Ma'am, 1793 to
1793 to
1794.
1794.
Good, 1793 to 1794, and it was the reign of whom? Reign means the ruling period. Reign means the ruling period of whom? Who was ruling at that time?
Robespierre.
Ma'am,
Robespierre.
Robespierre.
Robespierre government was there. Robespierre was ruling. So Robespierre followed the policy. Now we have understood clearly that he followed the policy of severe control, and he eliminated the enemies of republic. जो भी रिपब्लिक के खिलाफ थे उन सबको वो खत्म कर देना चाहता था विद सिवियर कंट्रोल और सिवियर पनिशमेंट बाय गिविंग देम पनिशमेंट. तो वो बिल्कुल नहीं चाहते थे रॉबस्पायर के रिपब्लिक के खिलाफ कोई हो या उनकी गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ कोई आवाज उठाए. Then we have also seen that maximum limit set for wages and prices. Prices of bread was there, है ना. wages भी maximum price उन्होंने price कंट्रोल कर दिया था उन्होंने, और एक तरीके से सेट कर दिया था prices that maximum इतना ही होना चाहिए. wages लोगों का wage means salary भी fix कर दी थी. even prices on the commodities means prices on the things were also fixed. And meat and bread was ration means common people can easily get these daily requirement things at the reasonable price. They were getting this in Robespierre government. Then peasants also were pressurized to sell the grains to the government at fixed prices. This was also there in Robespierre government, that the peasants were forced to sell the grains fixed by the government. The price is fixed by the government. उसी price पे उनको sell करना पड़ता था. Then expensive white flour forbidden, and use of bread made of whole wheat. White flour use करना means मना कर दिया था. Plus use of bread was, and that bread was also made from whole wheat. पूरा साबुत grain से बने हुए उस bread का वो use करना उन्होंने compulsion कर दिया था. And one more thing was that French men to be called as citoyen instead of monsieur, and women to be addressed as citoyenne instead of madam. Now common use of the language was there, that is instead of sir and madam they were using the word citoyen and citoyenne. That means citizen. Everyone is citizens, to show the equality. Here also they were asked to use the equality bread. Here also the proper words were used, that is to show equality, that is the word of citizen. Plus we have also seen that shutting down of churches were there, and they were converted into barracks and offices. Shutting down of churches means churches को खत्म बंद कर दिया गया और उनको convert कर दिया गया, उनको change कर दिया गया barracks and offices में. Then further we have seen that his policies were too harsh to be followed. बहुत ज़्यादा harsh थी उसकी policies. Then those who were found guilty, they were guillotined. जिसको जो भी means जिसका जो गलत काम करते थे, जो इनको मानते नहीं थे इनकी गवर्नमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस के अकॉर्डिंग, those who were not supporting Robespierre government, they were guillotined. And guillotine word, I had made it to you clear. Guillotine, what do you mean by the word guillotine? What is guillotine?
Ma'am, the guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded.
Yes, you can underline this, you can learn this. What do you mean by what is a guillotine and who invented it? So guillotine is a device, एक तरीका instrument है, और we can say device है कि वो वहाँ two poles होते हैं and the blade is there in between them to behead the people. उनके लोगों के सर को अलग करने का एक तरीके से ये device है. And it was named after whom? Dr. Guillotine, because Dr. Guillotine has only invented this device. Next, we have also seen about the directory rules of France. In our previous class, we have read about the directory rules of France. Now, in this, we have seen that due to the fall of Jacobins, this gave the way to the prosperous middle class. Means when the fall of Jacobin, when Robespierre government was, the downfall of Robespierre government was there, and who was, means Robespierre was the leader of which club? Jacobins club. And Jacobin was formed by which members? Jacobins were formed by which members? Jacobin club.
Less prosperous.
Yes,
Less
less
prosperous
less
people.
wealthy, yeah, less prosperous people. Now, when Robespierre government was, downfall of Robespierre government was there, and he was also guillotine. Then who took the charge of the government now? Wealthier middle class. They seized the power. उन्होंने अपना मीन्स पावर गवर्नमेंट का पावर अपने हाथ में ले लिया. Then new constitution took away voting rights of non-propertied section of the society. Now new constitution was also again framed, and क्या हुआ वहां पर नॉन प्रॉपर्टाइड सेक्शन जिसके पास कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं थी उससे अगेन वोटिंग राइट्स छीन लिए गए. Now they were no more able to vote for the government. Now states to have two legislative council, and again we have read about the two legislative council, and which would appoint an executive. Now these legislative council, they have appointed the executive, which was made of 5 members, and this executive made of 5 members were called as executive made of 5 members was called as
Directory.
directory. Executive
Directory.
made of 5 members were called as directory, and this directory was appointed by legislative councils. Now, after that, we have seen that the political instability, there was many clashes between directory and legislative council. So finally, directory was also abolished, dismissed, usko bhi dismiss kar diya gaya. And now this paved the way to the rise of military dictator नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट. और फिर इन्होंने किसका रास्ता साफ कर दिया? नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट का. And he was who? Napoleon Bonaparte was the military dictator. Clear till here? Though military dictator, Napoleon Bonaparte was military dictator, but then also the ideas of freedom, equality before law, fraternity, they were still prevailing in the society. They were still there in the society of equality, fraternity, and equality before law, fraternity, and freedom. So these ideas were still prevailing in the society of France. Now, next coming to the next topic. Our next topic is, did women have a revolution? Now we will read about the part of the woman. Now, what role did women play in the revolution? Now here the picture shows figure 12 Persian women on their way to Versailles. Versailles के way पे means Versailles was what? What was Versailles? Fort was there, किला था वहां पर, राजा का पैलेस था. This print is one of the many pictorial representations of event of 5th October 1789 when women marched to Versailles and brought the king back with them to Paris. ये एक तरीके से मार्च है, women का participation है in the revolution. Now we will read about this. From the very beginning, women were active participants in the event. इस event में means which event? French Revolution में women's का active participation रहा है, which brought about so many important changes in the French society. So the participation of women had brought many changes in the French society. They hoped that their involvement would pressurize. They hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary. Pressurize whom? The revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. Now, what did these women hope? What did the woman hope? What did the woman hope? उनको क्या आशा थी?
That the revolutionary government will introduce measures to improve their life.
Yes, that revolutionary government will be there and they will definitely improve their life, improve the life of women, because at that time, as we have seen, that more importance was given to men. Even rights to vote was also not given to women. So the revolutionary, they hoped that the revolutionary government, then after the revolution, when new government will come, they will get the means respectful place in the society. Most women of the third estate had to work for the living. Now the women who belong to the third estate, they had to work for the living. अपने livelihood के लिए उनको काम करना था, काम करते थे वो लोग, women. They worked as seamstresses or laundresses. Now they, what was the work the women were doing? They were working as seamstresses. What do you mean by the word seamstresses? Tailoring. क्लियर? वो कैस किसका काम करते थे? टेलरिंग का. लॉन्ड्रेसेस मींस वॉशिंग ऑफ क्लोथ्स, सेलिंग ऑफ फ्लावर्स, fruits, vegetable at the market, and were employed as the domestic servants in the houses of prosperous people. बड़े wealthy people के घरों में भी वो domestic servant का काम करते थे. So all these work was done by women in the French society before the revolution. And most women did not have access to education or job training. Now most of the women during this period were not having access, means they education was not available to the women at that time. Even the job training was not there for women. Only daughters of noble and wealthier members of the third estate could study at the convent. Means only who were allowed to get the higher education and good education in the convent schools and all. Only the daughters of noble and wealthy members. Means rest, the third estate members or were not getting, the women's or daughters were not getting the education or any type of job training. But the daughters of nobles and high class member people, those who are wealthy enough, they were, their daughters were getting good education in convent schools and all, after which their families arranged a marriage for them, and after getting the higher education or the education in the convent schools and all, they were married. Working women had also to care for their families. Now the working women, those who are working as laundresses, tailoring, these working women, they also had to take care of their families, means outside work also, and the home domestic work also they had to do in their own families. They had to cook, they had to fetch water, पानी लेकर आना पड़ता था. They have to queue up for bread. Bread के लिए उनको लाइनों में खड़ा होना पड़ता था. And they have to look after the children. So apart from these activities, these work, they also had to take care, proper care of the family. Their wages were lower than those of men, and if they were working outside as a tailoring job, as a means washer woman and all, they were getting lower salary than the men. So this was the condition before the revolution of women. Now, in order to discuss the voice, their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspaper. Now, women started their own political clubs and newspaper to raise their voice, to raise their, means to show their condition to overall all the people, and to discuss about their condition, they started their own political clubs and newspaper. About 60 women clubs came up in different French society. So about 60 women, how many clubs came up in French society? 60. 60 women clubs सामने आए, where the women could discuss about the condition of women in of French society. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous of them. These two women political clubs were very much famous. Underline this, which two uh, political clubs of women were famous. Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous of them. Then one of the main demand was that women enjoyed the same political right as men. Now, one of the main demand, as they were not having the voting rights, so the political right means the voting rights. They, their main demand of women was that they also want to enjoy the voting rights, or we can say political rights as men. Now, This was the main demand. You can underline. Now, women were disappointed that the Constitution of 1791 reduced them as a passive citizen. Now, they were very much disappointed. They did not like at all that the Constitution of 1791, they had considered women as a passive citizen. Why as a passive citizen? Because they were not allowed to vote. So for this reason, they were very much annoyed with Constitution of 1791. They demanded the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and to hold political offices. Now, not only they want the political rights, right to vote, but they also want to be elected in the assembly, means election mein khada hona. Plus, they also want that the women should hold some political office in the government, means political place unko government office mein milna hai. Plus, unko right chahiye. Plus, they also wanted to be elected as the assembly. So all these were the demands of women of French society before the revolution. Only then they felt would their interest be represented in the new government, और इसीलिए उनका interest जब new government में दिखाई देगा. In the early years, the revolutionary government did introduce laws that helps improve the lives of the women. Means in the early years, revolutionary government ने इनकी lives improve किया. It took steps to improve the life of the women. Together with the creation of state schools, schooling was made compulsory for the girls. Now this was the uh, means steps taken by the revolutionary government to improve the life of the woman. That is schooling, state schools were opened and schooling was made compulsory for the girls. Then their fathers could no longer force them to marriage against their will. Now, this was the condition after the revolutionary government was formed. This was previous condition. Now, when as soon as revolutionary government was formed, they took special steps to improve the life of the women. Schools were open for the government for the girls. Plus, father also were not allowed to force their daughters to get married. Uh, अगेंस्ट देयर विल, मीन्स उनकी इच्छा के बगैर फादर भी उनको मैरिज के लिए फोर्स नहीं कर सकते थे. मैरिज वॉज मेड into a contract entered into freely and registered under the civil law. Now marriage after to improve the life of the woman, marriage was made into a contract. एक तरीके से contract बनाया गया that the women were asked to enter to this contract freely and they had to register under the civil law. Civil law में register होती थी वो marriage and with their own will and wish. Divorce was made legal. Divorce was also made legal and could be applied for by both women and men. Now, divorce, if anybody wants divorce, then both men and women can apply for it. Women could also now train for jobs, could be artists or run small business. Now, all these steps were taken by revolutionary government to uh, change, to bring change or to improve the life of the women. Now, women's struggle for equal political rights, however, continued. Now, still they were continuing fighting for their political rights. During the reign of terror, the new government issued laws ordering closure of women's clubs and banning their political activities. Now, during the reign of terror, when Robespierre government was there, at that time the order was there to close the women clubs. Means the now women's clubs were closed down, were banned, and the political activities were also banned. Means the women were not allowed to participate in any political activities during the Robespierre government during the reign of terror. Many prominent women were arrested and number of them executed. Now, those who did not follow these policies, that is, they were still in the members of the women's club or they were still indulged in the political activities, then these women were arrested and they were executed और उनको मार दिया जाता था. Then women's movement for voting rights and equal wages continued through the next 200 years in many countries of the world. Now, many countries of the world also same that is voting rights and equal wages, saman adhikar, political rights for voting plus the equal wages equal to the men. This continued to be the fight for the women. The fight for vote was carried out through an international suffrage movement. Now, this fight for vote was carried through the international suffrage movement. एक international suffrage movement start किया गया to get the voting rights for the women during the late 19th and early 20th century. So this international suffrage movement was started in late 19th and early 20th century for the women to get the right to vote. Now, the example of political activities of France, women during the revolutionary years was kept alive as an inspiring memory. Now, these political activities of France women during the revolutionary years, जब revolution लाने मांग रहे थे, तो जो इनकी activities थी, that was still kept as an inspiring memory. Now, it was finally in 1946, the women in France won the right to vote. Now, finally, what happened in 1946? The women of France got right to vote. I hope this condition of women before revolution and after revolution is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So should we start with the next topic, the abolition of slavery?
Yes, ma'am.
एक ही आवाज आ रही है
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So after this, the condition, did the woman have a revolution? क्या woman ने revolution लिया? So you got the answer for this. Did women have a revolution? Yes, women had the revolution to have their
Yes, ma'am.
respectful place in the French society.
French society.
Good. Now coming to the next topic, the abolition of slavery. Now, what does the word slavery means? Slavery का मतलब क्या होता है? स्लेवरी का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द वर्ड स्लेवरी?
जबरदस्ती काम करवाना.
हाँ, किसी से जबरदस्ती काम करवाना, किसी को बंदी बनाकर रखना एंड अपने लिए उसको काम करना, कराने के लिए फोर्स करना. दैट इज टू मेक समबडी अ स्लेव. अपना दास बनाना. दास मीन्स अपना बंदी बना करके उसको काम करवाना अपने लिए. क्लियर? सो द अबॉलिशन ऑफ स्लेवरी. अबॉलिशन मीन्स स्लेवरी का को खत्म करना. नाउ मीन्स एक तरीके से स्लेवरी को एंड करना, बिकॉज स्लेवरी वाज देयर इन ड्यूरिंग द फ्रेंच मीन्स द फ्रेंच सोसाइटी एट दैट टाइम. Now, one of the most revolutionary social reform of Jacobin regime was abolition of slavery in French colonies. Now, most revolutionary social reform means the social change. The social change, one of the most important social change which was brought by Jacobin government was that abolition of slavery. Slavery को बिल्कुल खत्म कर देना. कहाँ? फ्रेंच कॉलोनीज में. फ्रेंच कॉलोनीज में स्लेवरी थी और उसको बिल्कुल पूरी तरीके से खत्म करने के लिए ये जैकोबिन गवर्नमेंट ने एक तरीके से चेंज लेकर आए सोसाइटी में. The colonies in the Caribbean. Now, which of these were the colonies? Colonies कौन सी थी? कैरेबियन में. कैरेबियन आइलैंड है, वहां पर colonies थी. मार्टिनिक्यू, Guadeloupe, and Saint Domingo. These were the colonies in Caribbean, were important suppliers of commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar, and coffee. So these colonies in Caribbean were the suppliers. क्या सप्लाई होता था यहाँ से? कौन कौन सी चीजें सप्लाई होती थी?
Tobacco, indigo,
Ma'am,
sugar and
tobacco,
coffee.
indigo, sugar, and coffee.
Good. Tobacco, you know what is tobacco? Tobacco क्या है? What is tobacco? नहीं पता टोबैको क्या है? Anybody? Now, if you don't know, it is a name that is we can say in a short form कि एक तरीके से ये नशा वाली चीज होती है ना? We can say एक तरीके से क्या है ये? अल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक बोल सकते हैं, अल्कोहलिक सब्सटेंस या ऑब्जेक्ट बोल सकते हैं. दिस इज द अल्कोहलिक thing, and it is from the leaf, we can say tobacco leaves are there, especially tobacco leaves are there. And what is the indigo? Indigo,
Plant used for blue dye.
very good. Plant used for blue dyes, dark blue color, blue dyes के लिए, dye especially blue dyes के लिए indigo. Sugar and coffee you already know. So these commodities were supplied by these colonies, that is Martinique, Guadeloupe, and Saint Domingo. But the reluctance of Europeans to go and work in distant and unfamiliar lands meant a shortage of labor on the plantation. अब plantations में किसकी shortage हो गई? Labor की shortage हो गई. Why the shortage of labor was there? Because Europeans, जो European people थे, they were reluctant to go to work in the distant and unfamiliar lands. Distant and unfamiliar lands means जो ये यूरोपियंस जो थे वो मना कर दिया. रिलक्टेंट मीन्स मना कर दिया एक तरीके से कि वो बाहर कहीं नहीं जाएंगे वर्क करने. इसीलिए शॉर्टेज ऑफ लेबर हो गई. कहाँ पर शॉर्टेज ऑफ लेबर हो गई? इन चीजों के लिए, सप्लायर्स के लिए. Again I'm explaining, by the reluctance of Europeans. Europeans ने मना कर दिया. क्या मना कर दिया? To go and work in distant and unfamiliar lands. वो बाहर दूसरी मीन्स अननोन जगहों पे ना जाएंगे काम करने के लिए. इस वजह से क्या हो गया? शॉर्टेज ऑफ लेबर. कहाँ पर? प्लांटेशंस में. ये क्या है? टोबैको, इंडिगो, शुगर, इनके ये प्लांटेशंस ही हैं. एक तरीके से प्लांटेशन क्रॉप्स है. और यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? अब शॉर्टेज ऑफ लेबर हो गया जब यूरोपियंस ने मना कर दिया कि वो इन कॉलोनीज में, दूर कॉलोनीज में नहीं जाएंगे काम करने. So this was met by a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa, and Americans. Now you can underline this. This is a very important triangular slave trade. Triangular slave trade. This is very important in the slave abolition of slave. This topic. Now, what is triangular slave trade? It is a trade. It is a slave trade done between these three main countries: Europe, Africa, and America. You can underline this also. ये slave trade है एक तरीके से. कौन कौन सी countries के बीच में? Europe, Africa, and America. And as these three countries were mainly involved, it was termed as triangular. Triangular means three countries were involved. Triangular slave trade. Hope till here it is clear. Triangular slave trade.
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is called triangular slave trade? Because three countries were involved in this slave trade. Europe, Africa and America. यहाँ से ये लोग slaves को लेके जाते थे, जबरदस्ती बंदी बना करके उनको चेनों में बांध करके अच्छे से लेके जाते थे और उनको जबरदस्ती प्लांटेशन में काम करवाते थे. The slave trade began in 17th century. When this slave trade began, slave trade began in 17th century. French merchants sailed from the ports of Bordeaux or Nantes to the African coast. अब ये अफ्रीका और यूरोप और अमेरिका के बीच में होता था स्लेव ट्रेड. तो जो फ्रेंच जो मर्चेंट्स थे, मर्चेंट्स मीन्स ट्रेडर्स, इंपोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट में जो इंडल्ज होते हैं, तो जो फ्रेंच मर्चेंट्स थे, दे यूज्ड टू सेल फ्रॉम द पोर्ट्स ऑफ बोर्डेक्स एंड एंटीज. ये भी अंडरलाइन कर लो. ये आपको एक फ्रेंच मैप जो होगा, मैं आपको दूंगी फ्रेंच मैप, उसमें ये मार्क करना पड़ेगा these slave trade ports. तो ये बोर्डेक्स और नेंटीज, यहाँ से फ्रेंच मर्चेंट्स क्या करते थे? अफ्रीकन कोस्ट की तरफ सेल करते थे. ये एक तरीके से पोर्ट्स थे, दो स्लेव ट्रेड्स के मेन पोर्ट्स थे. where they bought say slaves from local chieftains. वहाँ के लोकल लॉर्ड से, लोकल जो चीफ्स थे, वहां से ये लोग स्लेव परचेज करते थे. और यहाँ क्या करते थे? फ्रेंच मर्चेंट सेल फ्रॉम पोर्ट्स ऑफ बोर्डेक्स और नेंटीज. बोर्डेक्स और नेंटीज पोर्ट से वो लोग सेल करके कहाँ हो जाते थे? अफ्रीकन कोस्ट पर. और वहां अफ्रीकन कोस्ट पर जाकर के ये मर्चेंट्स स्लेव परचेज करते थे लोकल लॉर्ड से. branded and shackled, the slaves were packed tightly into ships for 3 months long voyages across Atlantic to Caribbean. अब कैरेबियन पहुंचने के लिए उनको 3 months long voyage जाना पड़ता था. 3 महीने तक वो कंटिन्यू शिप्स में बंदी बनाकर रखकर वो ट्रेवल होते थे. स्लेव्स कैसे? उन पे ब्रांडिंग किया जाता था, उनको शेकल्ड किया जाता था, उनको चेनों से बांध कर रखा जाता था और 3 मंथ के लिए वो ट्रेवल करते थे टू अटलांटिक टू कैरेबियन प्लेस. क्लियर? एंड दे वर सोल्ड टू प्लांटेशन ओनर्स, और वहां पर वो सोल्ड किया जाता था प्लांटेशन ओनर्स को. समझ में आ गया? मर्चेंट्स जो फ्रेंच
Yes, ma'am.
मर्चेंट्स थे,
Yes, ma'am.
मर्चेंट्स थे, वो अफ्रीकन कोस्ट जाकर के बोडेक्स और नेंटिस पोर्ट से अफ्रीकन कोस्ट जाकर के वहां से वो स्लेव्स खरीदते थे और वहां पर स्लेव्स खरीदकर उनको अच्छे से बंदी बना करके उनको चेनों में बांध करके अपने साथ 3 मंथ के लिए वो पूरा लंबा सफर तय करते थे. एंड देन फाइनली दे यूज्ड टू अटलांटिक कैरेबियन. Now that's all for today. ये time is running by. मैं अभी यहीं खत्म करती हूँ. ठीक है? Next class we'll continue.
Thank you,
the same.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Have a
Ma'am, have a
nice day,
nice day, ma'am. Have a nice
Same
day,
to you.
ma'am.
Same to you.